First time ever an object from interstellar space has been observed to visit our solar system. Amidst the interstellar space mysteries abound, but none have captured the world's imagination quite like the inscrutable visitor known as Oumuamua. But when it first swept through our solar system in 2017, Oumuamua left scientists baffled and intrigued. Its bizarre cigar-like shape and unexpected acceleration raised countless questions, but now the visionary Elon Musk has boldly declared the return of Oumuamua with an escort. But what exactly is this cigar-like shape? Is it an asteroid, a spaceship, or something even more sinister and otherworldly? Join us as we venture into the unknown, guided by the visionary Elon Musk to uncover the unimaginable and sudden return of Oumuamua. In October 2017, something remarkable occurred in our solar system. The University of Hawaii's Pan-STARRS-1 telescope discovered an interstellar object, Oumuamua, near Maui's Haleakala volcano. This telescope is renowned for detecting space rocks, even faint ones like Oumuamua. Its official name was 1I/2017 U1. But the Pan-STARRS team gave it the poetic name Oumuamua, meaning messenger from afar. Arriving in Hawaiian, Oumuamua initially appeared as a reddish elongated rock resembling a giant cigar. Stretching about a quarter-mile long, 10 times longer than its width, this extraordinary shape surpasses any asteroid or comet we've seen in our solar system. Its uniqueness could offer insights into other solar systems' formation. Detecting its extraterrestrial origin is simple thanks to its incredible speed exceeding the Sun's gravitational pull. This distinct velocity distinguishes it from rogue Kuiper Belt Object 6. As Elon Musk points out, this rapid motion is a clear indicator of an object from beyond our solar system, making Oumuamua a fascinating interstellar traveler. Oumuamua sped past Earth at an astonishing 196,000 mph, 109 times faster than a bullet. Ruling out its origin from our solar system, scientists initially couldn't decide if it was an asteroid or a comet. When it was zipped by the Sun on September 9, 2017, it was called an asteroid. Later, slight acceleration hinted at comet-like behavior. But Oumuamua's unexpected speed puzzled scientists. Telescopes worldwide watched this cosmic visitor closely, revealing its oddities: no visible dust or comet tail, an elongated shape 10 times longer than wide, and a reddish hue like objects in our outer solar system. Oumuamua had been wandering our Milky Way for hundreds of millions of years. As it left our solar system, it accelerated unexpectedly, defying graph pull. This acceleration resembled a comet's boost caused by evaporating ice. However, Oumuamua's speed and trajectory didn't match predictions, raising questions about its peculiar path through space. Since its 2017 discovery, scientists have pondered Oumuamua's composition, origin, and its rapid 196,000 mph speed. One theory suggests it might be solid hydrogen turning into gas near stars, propelling itself like a natural ion engine. Some suggest its disk shape due to its acceleration pattern, while others liken its behavior to comets in our solar system. Meanwhile, radiation pressure from sunlight could explain acceleration, but only if Oumuamua is exceptionally lightweight. Its unique shape and low density sparked lively debates among scientists. Some even speculated it could be an alien light sail crafted by an extraterrestrial civilization, though this was met with skepticism. Oumuamua's distinctive trait is its uncertain shape. While often depicted as a cigar, it may be more disc-like. We observed it from limited angles during its solar system journey, making its accurate proportions a mystery. The question of its nature continues to intrigue scientists. However, in October 2018, Dr. Shmuel Bialy and Professor Avi Loeb introduced a theory suggesting that solar radiation pressure could explain Oumuamua's strange acceleration. Their research, accepted for publication in the Astrophysical Journal Letters, proposed that Oumuamua's pancake-like shape and high reflectivity resembled a light sail. This sail-like structure could interact with radiation pressure, causing its acceleration and orbital deviation similar to an interstellar explorer. This idea stirred both excitement and skepticism. Some sensationalized it as an alien origin theory, while others questioned its scientific basis. Professor Loeb defended his argument and authored a book delving into his controversial theory, aiming to engage both the scientific community and the general public in considering the possibility of Oumuamua as an extraterrestrial messenger. The book recounts his journey of presenting this contentious theory, urging readers to contemplate the potential of an extraterrestrial encounter. It provides a deeper exploration of his arguments, inviting further discussion on the mysterious Oumuamua's origins. Nonetheless, in 2018, as Oumuamua prepared to leave our solar system, the Hubble Space Telescope captured final images showing an unexpected increase in its speed. Scientists initially thought this could be due to outgassing, where material escapes from a comet's surface due to solar heating. However, Oumuamua had no visible tail, and its sudden acceleration puzzled experts since gravity should have slowed it down. Additionally, if outgassing had occurred, it should have caused Oumuamua to spin violently, which wasn't observed. Instead, researchers like Bialy and Lub suggested radiation pressure as the likely cause for the speed increase. This raised the question: if Oumuamua wasn't a comet or asteroid, what could it be? The mystery continues to baffle scientists. Oumuamua's behavior left scientists puzzled as it defied natural explanations. Its brightness, shape, and acceleration couldn't be reconciled with existing theories, especially given the lack of outgassing. Musk believes that Professor Lub's involvement in Project Starshot, which aimed to send a tiny spacecraft to Alpha Centauri propelled by a light sail and a powerful laser, played a role in shaping his hypothesis. When Oumuamua arrived, the idea of an interstellar probe clicked. Careful calculation supported this notion too. Determine the probe's size, composition, thickness, and reflectivity. They analyzed all available evidence. Ultimately, everything pointed to a key idea: Oumuamua wasn't natural. While the light sail theory might seem unconventional, it followed a logical, evidence-based approach. Lub and Bialy adhered to a scientific principle similar to Sherlock Holmes's detective work: eliminate the impossible, and what remains, no matter how unlikely, must be the truth. Thus they proposed the hypothesis that Oumuamua was an artificial object, and Lub presents this case by examining the limited evidence available. We can't definitively confirm if Oumuamua was an interstellar probe, but it's worth staying open to the idea. Elon Musk, who knows Lub well, considers him a brilliant thinker. Lub's interest in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence led him to propose the idea of Oumuamua as an alien spacecraft, a notion not widely accepted among his peers, but intriguing to him. Musk too hopes for alien life and is excited about the possibility, but advises caution against assuming aliens as the immediate explanation for unexplained phenomena. He mentioned that Lub might have missed some research avenues due to limited knowledge at the time. While Lub's theory is thought-provoking, it's important to consider it alongside other possibilities and continue exploring the mysteries of space. In an interview, Elon Musk discusses the mystery surrounding Oumuamua's trajectory near the Sun. He highlights that if an object doesn't follow gravity's rules, another force is at play. While possibilities like melting ice were considered, he's cautious about jumping to conclusions like aliens. Musk doesn't dismiss the idea entirely, but prefers not to immediately suggest extraterrestrial origins as the primary explanation. The question remains: what caused Oumuamua's unusual path? Similarly, in early 2020, researchers proposed a captivating theory about Oumuamua, suggesting it might be a hydrogen iceberg. They thought that pure hydrogen gas could propel it forward like a rocket. While intriguing, this theory faced challenges upon closer examination. A paper authored by Harvard and the Korea Astronomy and Space Science Institute raised doubts about its viability. Professor Avi Lib and others expressed skepticism due to several issues. A major problem was that the usual processes leading to solid objects like Oumuamua couldn't apply to a hydrogen iceberg. The typical method involves tiny dust grains sticking together through collisions. However, for a hydrogen iceberg of Oumuamua's size, the grains would have to collide and stick repeatedly, growing larger each time. But with higher gas density, these collisions generated excessive heat, instantly turning solid hydrogen into gas. Therefore, kilometer-sized hydrogen icebergs like Oumuamua couldn't form because the grains couldn't grow further. The researchers argued that the usual process of grain growth through sticky collisions couldn't work due to high gas density. Moreover, an object like Oumuamua couldn't have survived its long journey with a hydrogen iceberg structure. Such icebergs would evaporate rapidly during journeys lasting hundreds of millions of years. If the hydrogen ice theory were correct, it would have been groundbreaking, explaining Oumuamua's cigar-like shape and non-gravitational acceleration. However, scientists had more theories to explore, keeping the mystery of Oumuamua alive. In September 2020, a fascinating theory emerged about an elongated space rock known as Oumuamua. Imagine it as a colossal dust bunny, those clumps of dust and debris we find under furniture due to static electricity. Elon Musk explains that scientists considered Oumuamua as a giant version of this common household phenomenon. This peculiar space rock likely originated from a comet located beyond our solar system. According to this theory, Oumuamua formed when dust gradually blew off the comet's nucleus and gathered over the solar radiation, then pushed this rock through space, eventually bringing it on a brief tour within our solar system. The original comet, the parent of Oumuamua, was probably a long-period comet. These comets take a long time to complete their orbits around stars, often venturing far from them due to weak gravitational pull and radiation pressure. Oumuamua eventually separated from its parent comet, entering interstellar space. However, while this theory seemed convincing at the time, scientists later explored other ideas. Intriguingly, after a thorough 4-year investigation and the exploration of various theories, The astronomical community posed a new explanation in March 2021. They suggested that Oumuamua could be a sizable fragment of nitrogen ice. This ice likely broke off from a distant solar system's Pluto-like exoplanet millions of years ago. During its formation, this nitrogen iceberg theory offered a more natural explanation for Oumuamua's speed and shape, while retaining the possibility that it came from outside our solar system. According to this concept, the nitrogen ice could have driven Oumuamua's acceleration by evaporating in space, resulting in the object's observed features. This theory aligns with the idea of a fragment of a larger body traveling through interstellar space. Since Oumuamua's discovery, scientists have been captivated by its strange characteristics, exploring a range of hypotheses from the possibility of alien technology to more conventional explanations like a hydrogen iceberg or a fragment of nitrogen ice. Despite the many theories, the true nature of Oumuamua remains a mystery. One thing is certain: the search for answers continues.